Paano nga ba mag-invest sa Pokemon, no, guys? Ito nga yung trending ngayon na topic kasi marami nagtatanong sa atin since we posted this portfolio of mine, no. Actually, this is just one part of my portfolio since these are all Charizard collection. So we have Pikachu and other booster boxes pa na tinatawag. But for this one, it's all about one particular character lang, no, Charizard. Okay? So, of course, sagutin natin yan. So, maraming ways, guys, to invest in Pokemon. Of course, first, you should consider the liquidity, no? So, hindi siya ganun ka-liquid unlike other, like, for example, stocks, bonds, time deposit, etc. that you can convert to cash agad-agad, no? So, for this, you need to find the right buyer, the right community para ma-dispose mo to or mabenta mo itong mga Pokemon na to. So, ano ba yung paraan paano makapag-invest? There are many ways, no? Like sinabi ko na nga kanina, you could, choose a character, invest on their cards, no? So ako, personally, what I do is I find yung mga raw cards, no, sa mga collectors or some of my friends, and then sa collections ko rin, no, nung bata tayo, and then pinapagrade ko yan sa PSA or sa BGS for if ever, no, makita ko yung card na maganda yung condition niya, no, and maganda yung corners, etc., and pina-send mo to sa PSA or other grading companies, no. Pag bumalik yan na mataas yung grade niyan, especially pag 10, usually nagta times 10 times 5 yung value niya versus the raw card value niya or price niya. So that's how I do it, no. But of course, the other way naman, some collectors would want sets, no. Pwede kang mag-complete ng mga sets, no, like the 151 Phantasmal Flame. So pwede mo complete yon. So okay din yon, no. Pag na-complete mo yon, maganda rin yung value niya. The third one, ito yung mostly talaga sa mga investors na tinatawag na pumasok sa Pokemon, is they invest on boxes or yung mga sealed products na tinatawag, no. So if you ever that you want to buy a certain box, ETB, booster boxes, etc., no, you could keep it sealed, no, and hold mo lang siya, and according nga, no, you can search about it sa AI or sa Google, etc., na it outperforms, no, some of the assets like stocks, etc., gold, for the longest time, no. So talaga na outperform niya tong mga asset classes. So actually hindi rin ako makapaniwala sa study na yan, but as you can see, talagang ang laki nung tinaas, no, ng mga Pokemon's card, no. So of course you could also compare it to Lego, etc. But again, ako advice ko, if you really want into, pasukin yan, dapat alamin mo, aralin mo, and gusto mo din. Kasi nga, medyo, of course, hindi nga siya liquid, baka mahirapan kang magbenta rin pag kailangan mo na ng cash.